More than 400 pieces of boga with a total value of 25,000 pesos were destroyed by the Rizal Provincial Police Office or PPO and the Bureau of Fire Protection or BFP to promote a peaceful and safe New Year celebration. Bogas are homemade fireworks made up of recyclable materials such as soft drink or water bottles, sardine cans, or polyvinyl chloride pipes and are strictly prohibited. Young people are supposedly being influenced by the trending videos they see on social media platforms of late.
Itong mga gumagawa is mga bata, mga minor, yung mga gumagamit sa atin, yung mga bata, mga kabataan, pwede itong makabulag kasi malakas itong buga niya dahil ang ginagamitan siya ng denatured alcohol. Pag pumutok yan, pwedeng makabulag, pwedeng makakos ng injuries, yung pagkasunog ng balat, pagkabingi, at iba pang mga related injuries na pwede lang matamo.